Hi guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to show you how to make a hunter knife, this knife. So for this you're going to need one small paper for this. No, actually for this you're going to get 3 papers. But if you want and save some paper, you can use the papers of the knives if the knife is ready. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So first I'm going to do a pause, okay? So guys, I got the thing. So for first you're gonna need to do this. You're gonna need to get the sheet and go folding it like this. Like this, okay guys? And make sure that you have scissors and tape. So, and then guys, you're going to need to get your tape. Let me open it. Hey guys, I got confused. Oh, no. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so and then you're gonna need to wait guys, I'm just gonna ask my dad to open this because it's kind of far because I don't know where it is. Okay, bye. Okay, so guys, I'm back. So you're gonna need to get the piece of work that you did in the start. So, and then if it's like a triangle but like long, no problem. So you get this and you put it there in the tape. And then you go and start getting the tape, passing it over. See? Like this. Okay. And guys, I'm making a hunter knife. And make sure you subscribe also. And guys, you need to make it in the whole thing. And you can also see how big you want the knife. Guys, it'll take a while. Okay. I'll just finish this. I need to do it the whole thing. But if you want, guys, you can also, you don't need to use tape. You can also staple it if you want. But guys, and if your knife looks bad, don't worry, cause in the end it's gonna look good. Okay, so and then when it's done, you put that inside. You get your scissors and cut it. Then it looks like this, guys. Don't worry, cause and if it's like bad in the bottom, just go and cut it. Okay. And then you're gonna need to let it straight. there. And then you get this. Wait. You get your scissors, and then you go make a line. Make a circle. Like this, okay guys? But it doesn't need to be so big. And then you get your other sheet, and then you see how big you want it. I'm just gonna make it like this. And guys, I memorized this. And then you go unfolding it like this. And then you do this if it's not good. Like if the thing, wait. Yeah, no, stop. So and then you see where it stops. And if it looks like this, guys, don't worry, because you're gonna need to get your tape. Then you go and putting it like this, okay? The same as the start, but not in the part that you cut, or only in the thing that you cut. So, guys, and also guys, make sure to subscribe and comment down below. Is your knife turned good or bad? And then I can make you a knife. So I'm gonna show you in another video how to make a knife. So guys, if you want a cap for it, you can get this part, but yeah, like that. And then you'll need to stick. First you get this. See? You go folding it. And then you get your tape. But guys, you're not going to need to stick the whole thing, okay? You're just going to need to stick with this part. Like that. Okay? Guys, just for a sec, okay? Just for a sec. And then guys, and then if it turns out like this, it's normal, okay? That's what a knife is. So you're gonna get the sticky part, then do this. Like that. And then this guys for the cap. This is for the cap, guys. So you just do this. And there you go, guys. So bye. Make sure to subscribe.